4 puffs in a boat.
Yeah.
Funny.
Get my chin.
Hey! Not the canoe. Packing.
Get my legs.
Imagine Peter on the front. Just smooth, Jim. Just smooth. Just smooth.
So what you're trying to say is you've seen me on the Navigator.
Just did it on the boat, didn't it?
Yeah.
The Navigator, part 3.
The Navigator free. Navigator on.
Flight of the Navigator.
JJ cried at the end of what?
Anyone smell pollen?
I can smell shit.
Flight of the Navigator.
Oh. He's fucking rapping. Headline. I just went and kept the revs on and just sprung the board run. Capsized all of it. Yeah, hard now. But shit, sponsor, he didn't like the noise. Where's these fucking headlights, lad? Headlights, lad. Tosses that rope, mate. That's a big top, isn't it? See if I can pull the front end up. Oh, so I can open it up.
Just waiting till I get in the front, man. The front of his pants. I'm just going to video record it like that.
No, I'm not like this.